Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Update your GPU drivers and run a supported OS so the Wallpaper engine can access hardware acceleration. Next, install a dedicated live wallpaper app that explicitly supports video or WebM. This is the only reliable way to have smooth animation and audio options. While installing, pick a 1080p or 4K WebM anime clip to preserve quality and reduce CPU load. Once done, open the app and prepare to import You import the anime clip into the live wallpaper application and name the profile so it's easy to find. Then configure playback. Set loop on, decide whether to mute audio, cap FPS to 30 or 60 depending on performance, and choose fill versus fit to avoid stretching. Make sure hardware acceleration is enabled to offload decoding to the GPU. Once configured, set the wallpaper to apply and choose Run at Startup, so it loads automatically every login. You finalize by applying the wallpaper and testing transitions. Open a game or full-screen app to ensure it pauses or hides correctly, and then put the laptop to sleep and wake it to verify persistence. If you encounter stutter or audio glitches, reduce the clip resolution or bitrate or convert to WebM with hardware-friendly codecs. This often fixes CPU spikes. If the wallpaper still won't load, clear the app cache and, if needed, reinstall the wallpaper engine. This resolves corrupted settings in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.